Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the key use cases of Jenkins and the advantages of Jenkins. Why do we prefer Jenkins for doing CI and CD? What is the reason of using Jenkins among all the other softwares? So let's get started, guys. First key point is easy installation. Jenkins is a self-contained Java-based program ready to run with packages of Windows, Mac OS, and Unix-like operating system. Its installation is really easy. Second, easy configuration. Jenkins is easy setup and configured using its web interface, featuring error checks and built-in help function. It has really easy configuration. Jenkins is really easy to set up and is configured using a web interface. Okay. Third point, available plugins. There are hundreds of plugins available in the updated center, integrating with every tool in the CI and CD tool chain. The third point is there are a lot of plugins available for all the tools, any number of tools. Okay. Fourth point is extensive. Jenkins can be extended by means of its plugin architecture, providing nearly endless possibilities for what it can do. It's really extensive. It's really extensible. Jenkins can be extended by means of its own plugins. Okay. Easy distribution. Jenkins can easily distribute work across multiple machines for faster build tests and deployments across multiple platforms. And sixth, but not the least, free and open source. Jenkins is an open source resource backed by heavy community support. Okay guys, what are the 6 key use cases? Easy installation, easy configuration, available plugins, extensible, easy distribution, and free and open resource. Okay guys, so let's move on to the advantages of Jenkins. Free to use. It's a use case also, it's an advantage also. Free to use. Jenkins is fully open source and free to use. Since its development in 2011, it is the most preferred CI/CD tool used by developers in both early stage startups and big organizations. Second advantage, rich plugin ecosystem. There are over hundreds different plugins that can be used to enhance the functionality of a Jenkins environment and suit the specific needs of an organization. And the third is easy integration. Jenkins can be easily integrated with number of popular cloud platforms such as Google Cloud, DigitalOcean, Amazon EC2, and many more. What are the key advantages? Free to use, rich plugin, and easy integration with any tool, any cloud platform. It's really easy to integrate, guys. So what all we learned in this video was the 6 use cases: easy installation, easy configuration, available plugins, extensible, easy distribution, free open source, and then the advantages: free to use, rich plugin ecosystem, and easy integration, guys. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video, you understood why we use Jenkins. Okay guys, let's meet up in the next video with the next concept about Jenkins. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, guys. Thank you.